Let's look at problem 1, which is all about cleaning the list. The situation goes like this, that there is a sales manager who gets a list of email IDs of prospective buyer from an apartment project for his lead generation team. Let's call this list A. So list A is nothing but set of email IDs of those prospective buyer who can buy into his apartment project. Now an outside agency gives him another list of email IDs of prospective buyer. By this time, he has already put his team to work on email IDs of list A. And by cursory look it appears that the list B that he has got had some email IDs which were also in list A. So then he needs to figure out only those email IDs in list B which were not part of list A, right? I mean, list A is already getting work. So what are the new email IDs in list B? Only that he needs to work on. So if you look at in Venn diagram situation, it looks like if this is set A and if this is set B, there is some overlap. He needs to work on only in this yellow portion because this is anyway working. So how can you do this using your learning? You should prepare your code to do the same. You'll need data, and for that you can take these data sets. This data set has also been provided to you in Excel format like this. You can save as these data set and create on your own. One thing you need to understand, now this is a small data set, but once you have prepared the code, you can always upload a big data set and work on that. Take a look at these two data that has been given to you. Here, in fact, these four things, if you look at, like here ABC, here ABC 12. So these four things are new. But if you look at Vijay RS, it is here. The only difference is that here Vijay, in small, whereas it was starting with caps. Here if you see, it's like L is caps, here it is small. So if you understand, when you try to get from list B all those IDs which were not part of A, it should discard these two and give you only these tilde portion, because this data ABC 12 is not same as ABC. So here every way there is little difference. Here JSON underscore SR is there, here JSON underscore JR is there. So your output should have these four rows only. These two sets get removed because they are existing here. So ideally your code should produce the list which is in teal in color. You need to take care of case as well, because here the case is not necessarily same, and email IDs at times are not in the same case that you have already seen. And as I have already told you that though you are working on a small data set, but if at all you can develop the mechanism, you can always import data of any size and can run the code and programmatically produce the list which will be B minus A, which will be the yellow portion, very much the way I am explaining here, which is B minus A. So let's do it.